Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can redeem codes on Dragon City. But here's the bad news, you can't claim any codes on Dragon City. But to compensate you with this, here's a trick to get more rewards. So you wanna head on to dragoncitygame.com. Make sure you log in using the QR code option. And here you got some rewards here, like this one. See, one redemption per Dragon City account. You got this VIP egg, and you got some divine passes here, and here's some event coins with discounts and puzzle moves, all that. And here there are special offers, like this is like your daily rewards but only on PC. You can only claim it on PC. So yeah, got some cool stuff here. So yeah, it's like you claim a code when claiming onto this site. So yeah, you got your daily free gifts here. So that's how you get some extra rewards on Dragon City. But I'm still sorry we can't find a way to redeem codes on Dragon City. Thanks for watching.